Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying the videos. For more insight on HR practices and real corporate world exposure, please subscribe to our channel, like the video and do share it with others. Also, please press the bell icon to never miss an update from HR Success Talk. Thanks a lot. Enjoy this video.
Hello everyone, my name is Pranshu Sharma. I'm a part of HR Analytics at MetLife. So today I am going to talk about recruitment, which is one of the effective process of HR. So though this process is very vast, but I would be covering few topics of the recruitment. So I would be talking about recruitment and different type of stages. Then we'll talk about different type of sources and metrics which we use in recruitment. And I would also be covering about recruitment dashboard examples. So let's start with the presentation. So recruitment is basically a process of identifying, attracting, screening, shortlisting, and interviewing suitable candidates for the right job within an organization. So it can be a permanent or a temporary job. So there are different stages of recruitment, and it is a process wherein start from the new application, then screening review process, then comes to assessments, then hiring manager review, then interview process, then offer process, and once the offer is accepted, then background verification process gets started, and then a candidate is ready to hired, and then finally a candidate is hired to an organization. So as all you know, there are two types of sources in recruitment. So a candidate or an employee can be hired through internal resource or through externally sources. So through internal sources, it can be done through promotion, transfer, retired employees, through notice boards, through internal job postings and so on. And through external, if you're looking for a candidate in an organization, so it can be done through advertisements, through educational institutes, through placement agencies, consultants, and other employee recommendations. So we have captured few recruitment metrics here in this slide, and we'll cover them in detail. So the few HR metrics which you have taken is time to fill, time to hire, source of hire, first year attrition, active or open requisitions, filled requisitions, average time to fill days. So let's talk about this in detail. So time to fill is basically the time which takes to find a new hire candidate in an organization. So this is generally measured by the number of days between publishing a job opening and hiring the candidate in an organization. Time to hire. So this metrics represent the number of days between the moments a candidate is approached and the moment the candidate accepts the job. It means it is measured the time it takes for someone to move through the hiring process once they have applied. Source of hire. So this is we have already covered in the previous slide, which actually talks about that source from where you are actually hiring a candidate. So it can be through internal or external. First year attrition. Now this is one of the important metrics we have, which helps recruitment team or organization to check the effectiveness of the recruitment. So this generally happens when an employee leaves the organization within 1 year. So it is also so called as a failed hire or a bad hire. And there are different ways to calculate first year attrition or a failed hires attrition by simply checking their status. So if our employee is also a no-show, can also be considered as a failed hire, or if a candidate or employee status is reflected as hire in error, can also be considered as a failed hire. So all of this is a part of first year attrition. Now let's talk about active and open requisitions. So this is basically the number of job requisitions that are in an approved state and at the end of the time. Then we have field requisitions, the number of job requisitions that are in that has been filled at the end of the time period. And then we have average time to fill days. So this is one of the metrics again. So this actually calculates the number of days from which a requisition is approved to when an applicant accepts the offer. Then we have recruitment dashboard. So here is one of the example I have, which I prepared basis the raw data I had. So this is a simple data on which on the basis of the data, I actually designed this dashboard for open requisitions, which actually talks about the aging by the open positions we have, various stages, and the number of applications are pending, open, closed, and so on. It also talks about the offers in the pipeline as per the days bracket. Then it also talks about the hiring as per the competencies through internal or through external, as this is very, very important. And another dashboard example which I have taken, this is for the new joiners, that when you have a new joiner is about to join the organization, so what all analysis you can do. So it totally depends on the data you have. And basis that you can only actually, provide insights to the business leaders, to the HRBPs and all. So here this dashboard that talks about average offer accept with the scales we have, then the number of employees joined versus the pipeline employees. And then we have done analysis basis the gender diversity. Then we have time to fill versus, and then we have new joiners reason analysis. So these are one of few examples which I've shared with you. So as I said, the analysis you can also do basis the raw data you have, and you can convert it into some meaningful dashboards, which I have shown in the slide. So this is all I have for today. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you very much.